Okay, well, these last couple of weeks have been extremely exhausting, but I'm still going to try and give you something here. The euro parameters that I gave you yesterday, they were blown through, so that's a total bust. And I just want to give you an example. So I did have a request in the stock picking session today for AAL. Now, this is a weekly chart, and I can give you support. The only problem is that it's support within a downtrend. And the question is, are you okay with looking at counter trend trades? Because I do have defined risk with the cluster at 1155 to 1219. You know, if you see buy triggers against it, you can expect it to, you know, at least get a little bit of a bounce. But if you're looking for a trend trade setup, then what you have to do is, well, acknowledge the fact that this is a very bearish chart, bearish pattern of lower lows and lower highs, and price is below the 200, below the 50, 5 and 13 are in a sell mode. So it's a pretty bearish chart, okay? That doesn't mean you can't look at the counter trend, but if you want to look at a trend setup, then I would have to look at this. I have the symmetry projections of prior swings, and then we're just going to have a few retracements to look at. So there's two areas that I would look at. I mean, you can either look at the counter trend buy, or either a short against 1997 to 2025 if it triggers, or a short against 2234 to 2361 if it triggers an entry, okay? Because the path of least resistance at this point is still going to suggest that we, you know, may get another swing down, okay? So either this counter trend or this as far as the trend setup. That's about it, and I will see you guys tomorrow.